Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm a mentor with College Contact, and I go to Scripps College. I'm a sophomore psychology major, and I'm coming at you from my dorm room with my I Heart Scripps hippo. So cute. And I would love to help with anything college application related. I applied early decision to Scripps, so especially if you're considering applying early decision to a school, I would love to help you navigate through that process and see if that's the right fit for you to apply early decision. I would also love helping with any psychology related questions. Love being a psych major. And on top of that, I'm an RA at my school. So if you have any questions about acclimating to college, living with roommates for the first time, hopefully not roommates, roommate singular, but maybe two roommates, I would love to help with that. And questions about dorm packing lists. What should I bring to my dorm? I would love to help with that. So, yeah, if any of that sounds helpful to you, please book a meeting with me, and I'm so excited to work with you.